Tutorial video, Vector Network Analyzer. We will show you how to use the VNA, one of the tools included in the Quest software environment. By clicking on the ProxyLab box, we then have access to the various tools dedicated to this platform. Clicking on the VNA opens a new tab. Let's start by configuring and calibrating the tool. The configuration is set on the left side of the screen. Note that the maximum supported frequency is 80 MHz and power up to 20 decibels milliwatts. We have now to perform VNA tool calibration. Let's describe the easy calibration procedure. Connect the ProxyLab platform to the connector labeled Open of the calibration kit. Then choose the menu Calibrate Open. Perform the same measurement with the short connector, and finally with the load connector. The calibration is finalized. We are now ready to perform the measurements. Replace the calibration kit with the ISO calibration coil. Place the card you want to characterize on top the calibration coil using a 1 cm spacer. Launch the tool. Your measurements are now available. The reflection coefficient view displays both magnitude and phase. The tool automatically detects the minimum magnitude of the reflection coefficient to determine the resonance frequency and also calculates the Q factor. Double-click on the chart you want to highlight. The complex impedance view shows the real and imaginary part of the impedance. The Smith chart displays the reflection coefficient in a polar view. This chart helps design matching networks to compensate for the reactance of the measured impedance. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We will be happy to help.